Hey again, everyone. It's Big J Money, and I'm back with another rip. And today, pretty excited to take a look at 7 of these new Disney Lorcana booster packs. This is from the new Rise of the Floodborn, second chapter. Of course, you know we are looking for those enchanted cards. Just a disclaimer, I do not play the game, but I do collect the cards. But I do know enough to know what the ultra rare and the legendary cards, I know how to tell those. And I think if we hit any of the enchanted cards, it's going to be, they're hard to hit, I know, but I think the top one is Cinderella. Snow White's another good one. Any of those would be amazing. But I'm just going to rip into 7 of these today. Pick these up at Target. My local Target got the absolute jackpot of these in. I mean, I'm going to say they had a couple hundred at least. They had a lot of the first chapter too, but I passed on those. All right, without further ado, let's just get into these packs. See if we can get lucky and hit an enchanted. Okay, started off here with the Sword in the Stone, Raya, there's Ray, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Hercules. Okay, this is the uncommons, I believe. You could tell but by the symbol at the bottom, it's different. The commons are Circle. Okay, Cheshire Cat, 4 dozen eggs, Snow White. There's Merlin. I think this is a rare shapeshifter. There's the Queen. I think this is an ultra rare, and our foil is going to be Sneezy. And there's our puzzle piece. So Sneezy, not the foil we were hoping for, but it's the foil we got. Maybe I'll break down and learn to play the game. Sounds like a lot of fun. Okay, start this one off with Cusco, Peter Pan's Dagger, Enchantress, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Cinderella, that's a common one. Here's Bashful, getting into the uncommons, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, Maurice's Workshop, that's a rare, Christopher Robin, and our foil can be Minnie Mouse, Stylish Surfer. That's a cool one. Just an uncommon, but obviously Minnie, one of the most iconic Disney characters. Okay, here's Ray. Nothing to Hide. Eudora. Cusco again. What Did You Call Me? Last Cannon. Here's our uncommons. There's Lunch, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero. Getting into the rares, got Gruesome and Grim. There's Mickey on a Friendly Face. I think that's an ultra rare. Here's our foil, Improvise. So no legendaries yet. Obviously no enchanted. We got 4 packs to go. Let's get into the next one. Okay, start this one off with Boom. Varana, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin Crab, Cinderella Knight in Training, The Prince Never Gives Up, Daisy Duck, Launch again. There's the Huntsman, that's a rare. Radigan's Marvelous Trap, and here's our foil. That's Minnie. Zipping around. That's just a common. Love to hit a something besides the common foil. Love to see a legendary. Okay, we're going to start this one off. Popsicle. Same run of cards again. Dr. Facilier. Mini. Mouse Armor. Let's get into our uncommons. There's Belle. The Bookworm. Nick Wilde. Merlin. Shapeshifter. Hey, Mufasa. That's a legendary. Very nice. Our foil is going to be Last Cannon. Okay. It's a good one to get, the Mufasa. We named our cat after Mufasa. He probably hears his name right now. He's wondering why I keep saying it. Okay. Let's just buzz through our uncommons and our commons and our uncommons. Tiana. There's Merlin Goat. It's a cool card. Doc. There's Pete. That's a rare. Miss Judson. And Doc once again. Uncommon. Okay, we're down to our last pack here. I want to thank you for watching today. Let me know down in the comments. Do you play this game? What's been your best hit? Have you hit any enchanteds? Love to hear from you guys. Started off with Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Snow White. Hey, I like that one. Winnie the Pooh. There's Daisy on the Secret Agent. Launch. I think that's like the third or fourth one of those. Fairy Godmother. Cobra Bubbles. Pack Tactics. Here's our last card. Gaston. Just a common. So, okay. That's going to do it, guys. Here's a look at our foils. Nothing rare. I like the mini. That's cool. All right. Did get the one Mufasa on the legendary. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's going to do it for now. Thank you for watching, as always. And until next time, later.